Alright guys, welcome to today's video guys. Today we're out here at the range. You can tell a big old mountain right behind me. And yeah, today we're going to be shooting. We're shooting our guns. I'm going to show you guys what I got today and what we're doing out here today. And hopefully guys provide you guys with more content, better content like this. And yeah, bring more guns to the channel. Thanks. What is up guys? So here today we're out here at the beautiful range. As you can tell, all the mountains behind us, a beautiful setting. We got some homies here today. We're shooting our guns, we're checking them out. As you can tell, my Silverado's back there looking good. And my buddy's K1500 over there too. And yeah, we're gonna show you guys what my homie's doing over here real quick. Chino, what's you shooting?
Shoot my Glock 19 9mm.
Glock 19 9mm? Nice. There you go. There you go. So yeah guys, he's doing that over here. As you can tell, I got my own right here. I'll give you guys more details about that soon, but I just want to show you guys the guns we got, you know, what kind of rifles we got, and yeah, let's check this out. Mr. Eric, what are we doing today, dude? What are we doing?
Today we are gonna shoot Spencer XT9, 9mm.
Nice, nice.
And then we got a 308 in here that we're gonna show later.
That's right, that's right. Yeah, we got those. We got a bunch of dynamo here, a bunch of Glocks. And over here we got a 357 Magnum from my buddy Roger, shooting it up there. It's actually right there right now. But yeah, check this out guys. It's my buddy's Eric's truck. His truck right there. This thing is pretty sick. We got him a lift kit and everything, and the thing looks sick with some methods. And of course, we got this dirty hoe. Not giving a fuck, obviously. That's crazy. But yeah, it's a muddy day here at the range. See how it goes. All right, guys, today we are shooting my Glock 17. Oh, wow. That's a fail. That was a fail, Chino. You didn't see that?
That shit was already loaded.
Yeah, that shit was already loaded. It's not good. All right, let's do another one. All right, guys, we got a Glock 17 here, 9mm. This is my beautiful first gun here. First firearm I ever purchased, and we're gonna shoot it, see how it goes. Do some drills out here. We want everybody to have a fair chance of everything, you know? So once he's out, I'm gonna do a quick drill on reload and see how it goes. Maybe fix that dong over there, it's pretty bad.
So you're trying to shoot, then reload, and then go over there.
Yeah. A ver, let me see. A ver. No. Ah, see? Hey, it's not easy.
I can't do it with this one.
It's not easy. All right, guys, so quick draw. Try to do a quick draw, quick reload, see how it goes. If I can even do this right. Seeing this on YouTube, see if I can do it. Here we go. Ready? Oh, that was so bad. Oh, that was so bad. Wow, what a fail. All right, so nothing in the chamber. Let's try that again. One more time. Sorry, these mags are just not going in. I don't know why that stayed, but all right. Yep, that's a Glock, guys. Nice and good gun. Just don't drop your mag like me. Hopefully this POV view is pretty sick. I really like it. I really like how it looks. You go ahead, So yeah, range day today. Love my Glock. Yeah, really happy with it. Completely stock. Sadly, nothing done to it. Not like my other friends. But planning either to take it to Juggernaut or find another place to do more incisions here on the sides. I really want to do that, just like these here. So I really want to do all that. Really good gun, nice 9mm, not a 45. So you save a little bit of money on the bullets. Great gun, very reliable. If you know a Toyota, you know that they're reliable and they last forever. So these kind of remind me of it. Yeah, pretty good gun. I love it. Nice good holster from CY Tac. Really good holster. Love it. And then also they have their double magazine holder too. So if you want to do some drills, you want to switch out your magazines, pop it out. Quick install, but not quick reload, not install, but quick reload. I probably got to block that out now because I can't show that on YouTube. Yeah, guys, so Glock 17, first firearm I ever purchased. Really happy with it. Really excited to bring this to the channel, show you guys what I'm all about with these guns, and to show you the love I have for them. I love guns. I think it's a key element of being, just a regular American. I think, just being in the USA, I think every American should have a gun. I think, we all should be protected of our own, for our own rights, our own home, our own families, stuff like that. So, yeah, really love the setup. It looks pretty tactical. I'm not a pro, hell no. One day maybe, but right now we're just noobing it out here, having fun on the range. You can see. This might be my outro, I don't know. But yeah, Glock 17, registered in 9mm, 2 magazines, and show you guys everybody else's setups. What you got, Vortex? What we got? Oh, it fell?
It fell.
What you got there?
Glock 19.
Glock 19, what's done to it?
Got a stainless slide release, got a mag release, back plate, magwell, new trigger.
Nice, dude. Sick. Looks good, dude.
Thanks, man.
You knocked this D2 down?
Yeah.
What? Look at this. Well, we're not a professional in installing this crap, so we're just doing whatever makes our day range faster and easier. So now we do is just put it back up to here. That's it. That's our ghetto rig right there. Hoshima! Hoshima! Chevydan! That's what I call Merca, brother. Hot and hot.
They're gonna think we're fucking racist.
Nope.
That's why you don't have this. Jesus Christ.
Uh-oh,
damn it, bro.
retard alert.
This for sure going in the bloopers. Something like that. Alrighty guys, that is it for today. A beautiful day at the range. Fun day to test out my Glock. I really had fun with the Glock. I got to get familiar with the Glock, and got to test out the reliability of a Glock, because everybody knows Glocks are like Toyotas. They last forever, and they're really good and efficient guns. Very ergonomic, and really happy with my gun actually. Not too many dislikes, other than it not being modified. That's about it. The thing is that the stock platform on the Glock is great. So very happy with that. Love the scenery here at the Route 66 Fire Range. Great day with the boys, and excited for more. Excited to bring more content for you guys, just like this. Other than the truck and the car stuff, I really enjoy this stuff. So yeah, hopefully I bring that more to you guys at the table. And look at that, beautiful day back there, beautiful range. Yeah, guys, hope you guys have a good one and enjoy the next one. Peace. Pineapple
Oh,
run.
that shit gone.
We gotta do that again. Hold on. You gotta initiate when I initiate. Ready? No. I just nutted right there, but. Is it keeping you warm, really?
Yeah,
Oh, sorry. I was trying to reach somewhere else.
Does it feel warmer?
It does actually.
I feel warmer.